This is a love reading for you, Gemini, for you and your love interest. In this reading, I'm going to take out a heart shaped spread and see how's the guidance for you and your partner, whether it is your spouse or your ex or your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or someone you have a crush on. So you should know that this is a general reading and everything will not resonate or apply to as it is all Gemini, and whatever may resonate or feel like is talking to you will vary in the intensity. So let us see how's the guidance, Gemini. So who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring? What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the strength or challenges you see with this partner in the future? How does your partner likewise see with you? What is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from, and how's overall the reading? So you're very successful, Gemini, and you have a lot of this enthusiasm to do things, and you work with energy to go and do it, then doubt yourself or second guess yourself. You work with the energy to make it work or to win, and I'm seeing the sun shining. This is your time to do very well for yourself. You're a very happy go lucky person, and some of you have a great career or a business situation going amazing. Now, how is your partner? Your partner is someone who very often gets into a cold war or just stops talking. He or she acts a victim very often, that he or she is offended with what you have said and then stops talking. But if you see in Five of Swords, this person is holding three swords, and the person who's given up the fight first was holding the one sword. So mostly it is your partner who lands up saying the most, and then when he or she starts to lose the fight, starts to play the victim. And it is just how they are as a person, and he or she can quite blame a lot, but it doesn't seem to affect you. I'm just saying you're a very happy go lucky person and you have a childlike energy about you. So even if your partner is into this energy of playing a victim or a blame game, you happily take it for some time and then you both also equally forget it. Now, what is the strength or challenges you bring, and what is the strength or challenge your partner brings? You both have very good careers, and you are someone who has a great reputation, Gemini. It's almost like people are already speaking of you, even when you have not even decided which way to go or what decision to make. People are already deciding what decision will you make, how will you do things. You have a great reputation going about you, Gemini, and you may be traveling overseas for work, or you may have applied for a overseas citizenship in some way because of your work. Your partner is also in a very steady and a good job and has a lot of stable income. He or she is making good money and is also at a very good and equally good position. When I look at the cards, the two of you here, you are facing straight up and your partner is upside down. Here you're again looking towards the left and your partner is looking to the right. So career wise, the two of you are not talking or discussing much about what is happening at the job, at home, and also just how you are as individuals. You both have very strong personalities, or you both like to do things on your own. You're not So it's not like if you're doing one thing, your partner also wants to join in and do it. You do your thing, your partner does his or her thing, and when needed, maybe you go, wherever you need to go. Also, I'm seeing a lot of travel with you. You both may be very good at driving, because I'm just seeing a vehicle here with the two of you, and it's just looking good. You both may be very good at driving. I don't know what kind of racing or driving work you may be doing, or just genuinely good at driving. I'm just seeing vehicle and happiness and stability in your cards. So you both have very good and steady jobs, and you're not discussing your job situation or what is happening at work with each other at all. You're doing your thing and your partner is doing his or her thing. And you are traveling a lot, my dear Gemini. You're just traveling a lot. It's just possible that sometimes you just don't have even time to sit back and attend some family functions, because this is how much you're traveling. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as happily ever after, Gemini. And to you, these small fights, or some arguments or nagging does not bother you. You are truly in love, and you see your partner as someone very, very emotional, easy to understand and work with. It may also be possible because you don't spend so much time at home or with your partner, but the connection is real. Even with less time, you're feeling this very real connection, and you truly see your partner as who you want to get old with, and this is a lifetime connection to be had. As a partner, you think there are some travels Gemini can avoid, or maybe is traveling unnecessarily. Some of you have started to complain about how much Gemini is traveling, because when I see this guidance, it is about you not wanting Gemini to go traveling, or not wanting to unnecessarily keep traveling. So, Gemini, you want to spend more time or even take your partner with you for some travels. Also, when I see this guidance, here is a baby who's traveling, and then here is a grown up man. It's quite possible it's your personality to forever be outdoors, so you're not as much of an indoor person, because growing up you were always playing sports or going somewhere, and as a grown up you're doing the same thing. And somewhere your partner feels you shouldn't be traveling so much, or should be spending more time at home or with him or her. But rest assured, as a partner, you should know that Gemini sees this as a very good connection and happily ever after, and is very content with you. He or she sees you as the person to be with for a lifetime. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about you, Gemini? You consider your partner as a good luck charm for you, that he or she has given you some very good ideas or brilliant brains to make money, or to make how to bond with people. So there is something you feel your partner has helped you, and in the future you see this partner as the good luck charm which will continue. And this is the bond you want to pursue. You want this partner with you in the future. Your partner feels maybe you may just land up meeting someone and things may not be as supportive for them, or you may just fall out of love, because this is running out of luck. Your partner feels he or she may run out of luck in the future. As a partner, you shouldn't have this fear or worry, because I'm seeing that your Gemini has a very good impression about you and is also very positive about you in the future. So you shouldn't be so worried about the future. Maybe you're just getting insecure because how much Gemini is traveling, and maybe you sometimes when you tell Gemini that is it necessary you travel, and then Gemini says yes, you feel that maybe he or she is just trying to avoid you, when that may not truly be the case. He or she is very, very ambitious and has, maybe has grown up being outdoors so much. This is just how the personality is. Now, what is the past you are coming from, Gemini, and what is the past your partner is coming from? Growing up, you didn't have as much money, or you didn't have as much luxurious money. There was money, but you were always busy. It's like you're working 24/7 and then you do make money, but then you're again working 24/7. So you never really enjoyed a good life, or you were not able to have the luxuries. And that could be the reason why you push so hard, or you want to have a great career going for you. Now, what is the past your partner is coming from? He or she feels that there were times when they could have said the most right thing, or they should have said something at that moment with some person, maybe with the boss, or with the ex, or with the family member, and he or she feels that they were held back, or they just choose to not say it. So there is a lot of regret about not having said or not having fought back about certain things, or not applying a certain idea through. So that could be the reason why as a partner you land up overdoing the talking part, fighting part, or just playing sometimes the victim part. It's coming from the past where you have regret of not having straightened some people out, not having fixed some people up with the most apt answer. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? You both are exhausted. This relationship needs a lot of free time and a holiday. The two of you should go on a holiday, because I'm just seeing you both are at work and are continuously at work, and there isn't much time that you're spending together. So this relationship definitely needs a holiday where the two of you go together, spend some time, and there's more color to your life, and then stress is gone. There's a lot of stress also in the relationship, and it's mostly, all these swords are coming from you as a partner. You feel boxed, you feel not spoken to or not understood, when a Gemini is very, very freewheeling, is so caught up with life. So, for your partner's sake, Gemini, you should go on a holiday. So, there should be more color and happiness for this relationship to progress on the right track or go well.